Hello, Lucas Eddy here with KLIM, and today we're going to talk through how to route your hydration hose and bladder into the Baja S4 jacket and the Badlands Pro jacket. Let's check it out. So your first step is going to be to fill this with water and remove the plastic guard over the mouthpiece. You also have to make sure the mouthpiece is in the drink position so it's unlocked. Then we come to the inside of the jacket, and above the back pad here is a zipper. Inside this small zipper is the pouch, and you're going to take the bladder and shove it inside the pouch. Once it's inside the pouch, you have this velcro holder which goes through the top of the pouch of the hydration bladder and closes here. This keeps it upright. Then you tuck it all the way inside, and on this side of the hydration pouch is a slot where you're going to feed this mouthpiece in here. It's roughly right there, and it will be hard to see by the camera because it's inside and it's all black. But it's right here where my thumb is. You can kind of see that. And then we route this hose through this hole, and we'll be able to see it popping up over here through the liner. And because this liner is flexible, you can just run it underneath the armhole here, around the armpit area. And where it's going to be going is on the front side here in this top right chest pocket. Inside of this pocket, inside of this pocket is also a slot you see right here. We're going to route this hose through in front of this chest protector, through the liner, and out of that hole so it can sit inside of this pocket or come outside if we want to access it. And then as you pass it through here, through this flexible liner, when you get it close to the pocket, you put one hand inside the pocket and one hand on the outside or on the inside of the jacket, and you can push the hose to the opening and then pull it out of that gap that we saw, of that slot that we saw. And now you're ready to put the jacket on, wear it, drink from it, you're good to go. Now let's take a look at the Baja S4 jacket and see how that one goes. Now, looking at the Baja S4, same thing. Up above the pad pocket is our horizontal zipper and another Velcro loop to hold the top of the bladder. So we slide the bladder in, take the Velcro loop, pass it through the top of the Hydrapack, and fold it over. This will keep the hydration bladder sitting up so you can drink from it. And then also on the inside of this pocket, up here towards the top, you'll see the gray fabric, and that's the slot where we put the hose. And same as the Badlands Pro jacket, we route this hose here underneath the armhole through the liner, so the liner is flexible so you can easily grab it and pull it. And then it comes out of this pocket. At the base of this inside upper chest pocket on the right hand side is another slit. And then we route this through here, and on this elastic loop inside the collar is where we put the mouthpiece. So it kind of hangs out here, it sits on the loop, and then you can pull it and use it however you need to.